Alright guys, I found a street stall where I can get some delicious little sandwiches in Egypt. Yes. Yes. Alright guys, I got an awesome baguette with some meat, and I think that's tahini sauce on top, and then I got some fries. Let's give this a try. Meat's nice and smoky. Tahini is kind of mild. It's not bad at all. Well, I gotta say, it was a delicious little meal. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Check out this week's some of my other videos. Fill the Burnout's World, and take care, everybody.